if you're new to this channel, I suggest subscribing because we upload about every week and we make good content. Woo! Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be playing a horror game. I want to die. Yes, extreme ear rape. Please do not watch at 3 a.m.
Watch it at oh God! Lol. Okay, well, look at my face. Lol, look at me. This is what you look like. That's what you look like. Okay, which way should we go? Let's go this way because time points this way. This is only our this is our third game, and we're already playing on Nightmare right now.
Yeah, straight up.
Oh yeah, if you're wondering why our audio quality is bad, it's because
The game is gay.
if you're wondering why our audio quality is bad, it's because we're talking. Oh, he's here! He's here! He's here! He's here! He's here!
Yeah.
That was meant for Toaster Kid. Please do not check.
Yeah, Toast the Kid is like...
I know I alt F4'd. No, it's just spooky. Bro, it's scary when all of you die. Let's play a different map though. I want to try a different one. I want to try all maps, you know?
We're doing E.
Okay, we can't handle nightmare mode. We're too weak. We just came and beat the game.
We're in 2B. Oh, I get it.
You guys died immediately, and I almost died, and then left. You want to hear a secret? Hey, people who are watching want to hear a secret?
What?
We might make Poopy one of the bestest men. Guys, maybe we should get trapped in a building. Let's leave. Oh, that was just a chopper here. That was scary though. Maybe I should get my fingers off of alt and get. He's here.
I told you to get us out of the house.
We can't. He can find us though.
If you can't see me, I can see
I'm still running.
you. You can't see me.
Yeah, we're staying together.
Oh, it says it's dangerous to go around.
It's all fun and games until he dies.
Yep, he's right freaking behind me, and I'm gonna die. He's
here.
Okay, I hope everyone gets a good future, and please don't kill me. I will give you dino chicken nuggets.
No, run!
In audio. Probably hear it like a mic.
I just turn on the flashlight to get us all killed. No one turn on your flashlight unless you want to get us all killed. No! Actually though, you're gonna get us killed. Okay, I'm scared. Hey Lo, how do you feel like you have to edit this video and make it shorter so it's not boring?
Shut up.
Wait, maybe I can hear him.
He's gonna find us. Motherfucker.
Wait guys, he might be able to hear our voice, so be quiet.
But I just...
Oi, if y'all unmute your mic, Zach's gonna click on.
Beep beep. I think we should just stay here until morning. Yes, mission accomplished.
What do you guys
Like the sound of that.
That sounds like my brother when he's taking
Alright guys, if I die, I'm putting my PlayStation 4, that sounds like a jet engine for walls, all my Pokemon cards to desks, and you guys split everything else, okay?
I'll give you a $5 rust skin if you go outside.
There, I went outside.
But don't get yourself killed your own allowance, or else your parents won't do it. I bet.
Hey,
No,
you, the
stay
monster out
inside.
there. Do you need a computer? Come to Micro Center.
No, give
Micro
him.
Center
No, give him a
free
game. Give him a. Well, give him a computer so he can play White Noise with us.
Oh, wait, monster out there. You want to play
Whoa.
PlayStation 5?
Whoa, get inside.
Ready to leave?
Alright, women, I'm going first.
Nope,
Get,
nope, no.
Get back inside. Get back inside. Get back inside.
It's not safe.
No! Is that my dad?
I'll give you another rust skin if you go out there and look for him. Like as you go find him, okay? Okay, dude, let's follow along. I feel safe.
I want like a 99-cent hazmat kit.
Let's go. Let's stick with Wall, okay? He's our leader now.
Wait, cunt.
Follow Wall. Yeah.
Give me a 99-cent hazmat
But this game has actually gotten scary, even though Nightmare. We play this game, but if we don't play the game, then Lol's gonna have to edit more.
Yeah, guys.
Yeah, let's do it. Never mind, let's not do it. Oh, get it! Run back to the house. He's gonna come for us now. Guys, go back to the house. He's gonna come for us now, okay? You know he's coming for us.
He's right there.
Oh, he's here.
You guys, why is my screen going green?
Well, did you see him outside?
Yeah, why is my screen going green? I'm dead.
Look at him. Look at his corpse. Hey, Lol, how you doing, you pretty girl? Pretty girl. You used to be ugly, now you're pretty. Look at your dead corpse, bro.
Oh, this
So
button.
play with us. I got another copy of the game.
Yeah, same here.
Okay, let's play a different map. No. The one map that we haven't played. I mean, you get to choose. It's either island or Founder's Hall. That cave is too small. I mean, too big, so you can easily enter. No, I won't play a map that we haven't played, you know? You guys ready to find some stuff? We're gonna be like, Founder's Hall, haha. You look cute, Kissy. What? I wonder how you get more characters, though. Besides Sarah and all these other retards. Because they're trying to make easy money for they're trying to find the dead bodies of people.
No, they're trying to find drugs. But
No,
they don't want to
yeah,
pay
yeah.
for them.
He just walked up. He was just staring at you and said, "Your life prescription has expired." Where did he go? Bro, what are you doing here? You're gonna get yourself killed.
Wait, what? You bet $100 on what's going there?
No, I was petting him. Sorry, loser. You don't get no money from me. Oh, guys, I think we have to find 2 tape recorders in the map to get the tape.
Come here. It says portrait.
Guys, where are you?
Hey, this is what I do to my brother.
There. What? Okay, you know he's coming for us now.
Yeah, we're gonna see him.
I like the Slenderman game. I like the Slenderman game. There. Oh, no, run! But guys, do you like the Slenderman knockoff? Guys, he's behind us. Help me! No! No!
go.
Guys, I'm all alone. Oh, never mind. Okay, so don't go
My
that way.
flashlight is dying.
But this game's actually getting fun though, right?
Yeah.
You clearly never played a real horror game, it's fine. Neither have I. No, he's here too.
Are you dumb?
Please don't leave me behind.
Chicken tenders! Chicken tenders! Chicken tenders!
Oh, there's another totem. Remember, don't look at it. No, he died! Why did you look at it?
I thought it was really cool looking.
You decide, he looked at the totem. Yeah, you died. Wait, when did I die?
22. But I traveled for this house.
Hey guys, I might have a new skin. I did take... Buy stick on my see if you got. If you got new skin.
I'm gonna check out the replay. Cause this is pretty cool.
How do you get new skin? Okay, everyone go back.
Wait, I'm checking out the replay.
Join Discord.
Okay.